Good evening. My name is Luis Munoz, and my teammates are.
Good evening. This is Ritvik.
Good evening. This is Vicente Agricourt.
And this is phase 3 of our project. And we are going to cover all the steps on in phase 3. So for part 1, phase 3, it asks to list the most expensive items in each category. If I search, it goes ahead and populates. Here in my database, you could verify by going to items. We go into the items table, right? And we could verify that it finds the most expensive in each category. So we have Apple, and for Apple, we only have one object, but if we go for something like, yeah, and then it's the same thing for the other items. Moving on to number 2, list the users who posted at least two items that were posted on the same day. If you noticed, for tests, it posted 2 items on the same day. So we're gonna do category Apple and phone. Go to number 2, and as you can see, it gives us the result. For query number 3 says list all the items posted by user X such that all comments are excellent or good for these items. So we'll go ahead and go to category review. Within category review, we notice that if we type in list all the items, if we go ahead and type in test, we'll get all the items of tests that were either good or excellent. And test has some poor and some good. So you can see how it filters that out. And then I'll move on to Ritvik to explain next 2.
Ritvik, you're muted.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, for the fourth one, list the users who posted the most number of items on a specific date. Yeah. So, yeah, we are getting the users, user 1, 3, 4, and 5. You can see it as well in the database table. Yeah, it's the date of submission is 21st. Yeah, we can see. So number 5th question is list the other users who are favorited by both X and Y. So we can see our favorite page table, favorite page, and we can insert user X, user Y, and search.
Why?
No,
So
it's
it
go
will
back to
be
user 1, user 2, user 5.
yes. User 1, user
User 3, yeah, 2, yeah.
Just go to the database and just search it up.
Yeah, otherwise go to database.
Yeah, my bad.
Favorites.
Items. It would be
No, it'll be favorites, right?
favorites. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, favorites.
Go to favorite seller.
Okay. Insert user X. So it would be what would we put in for user X? Sorry.
Go to the database.
Oh, okay. Oh, favorite.
Yeah, favorite.
Oh yeah, you're right. Favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we'll test we'll do test 2,
Oh, yeah.
and test
Test
1.
2, test 1. We're gonna pop out 5. Yeah, test 5. Okay, I'm gonna pass it to my friend Vincent next.
For 6, display all users who posted any excellent items. We will first press the search key. And here we will have all the users who have never had an item that posted more than 3, that'll have 3 excellent reviews. We can go to the database. And we can check that, we'll first go to item.
Yeah.
The item database. And we'll first check that item 2 is going to be one of our targets. And now we can go to the category, not category, the item review, category review database. So for ID 2, we have 1, 2, and let's see. Oops, sorry. Can't really see. Sorry. Excellent item ID 1, excellent item ID 2, excellent item ID 3. Go to. Oh, we use red, right? We used red here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we have 1, 2, 3 for red. And as you can see, red is not in the list. Now for number 7, display all users who've never posted a poor review. This will show all the users who haven't showed a post review, and then press number 8 because 7 and 8 go in hand. So test 3 is the one who's only posted poor reviews, and then if you go back to 7, test 3 is not there since it posted a review. You can also check the database for the reviews right here. And then you can also go back to the item review. So for the database, each item's review is corresponded to their item ID. And now we can go to display number problem 9. So displays users who items have not received any poor reviews. So we can go to category review in the database. And we can search for poor. So poor, and the ID is 6. So we can go to item in the database. Item ID 6, that's user 3. And as you can see in the list, user 3 is not listed. I'll hand it back to Luis for part 10.
And for part 10, the query is list the user pair A and B such that they always gave each other excellent reviews for every single item they posted. If I click search, scroll down, I have user A's and user B's, and I could go ahead and verify by going to category review. Within category review, we have the red, right? With well, first let's go to item ID. Red has posted sock with an item ID of 18. If I go to category review and I go to 18, I find 18. We see that it was reviewed by test 9. And if you look for, oh no, I was looking at the wrong one. If you go to Beans and Test has reviewed item number 18, which is reds, and so that's why it's in this list. The same thing for S1 and S2, and so on. We also have the favorite page, right, where you could add a favorite user or a favorite item. So, and you could pick from a list of users. So I am, yeah, so I could go ahead and type in water. Click submit. If you go to favorite seller, now now water is the favorite seller of test. And if I go ahead and I delete water, I type in water, I could go ahead and delete water. And I could go ahead and refresh this. And water has been removed. And I'll go ahead and pass this over to Ridvik so he can explain the favorite item section.
Yeah, come to favorite item. It's a favorite item interface and search. So we'll be getting our favorite items here. And we can submit a favorite item. So we can submit a random one. Sock and submit.
Done.
Refresh the database, I think.
Go to item, favorite item.
Oh yeah,
Favorite
Wow.
item, yeah. Favorite item. Yeah, it's 18 and we can delete it. Yeah, it's deleted. Yeah, we can go to home. Yeah, that's it.
and this is the final phase, phase 3. Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.